Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new rechargeable headlamp. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. Alright, so here it is. That's really nice. Alright, and then it also comes with the charging cable, the manual for it, as well as the rechargeable batteries. So we'll go ahead and put it on here because this is what it's going to tell you if it needs charging or not. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we'll just put the batteries in here. Seal that up. All right, and there you go. It's good to go. Literally just puts on like this. Most people probably don't wear their hats, but I do. And you can adjust here if it's too big, too small. But meantime, I just want to show you a couple of the buttons on here, and then we'll actually test it out outside. You have the power button right here. Check that. Different options on there. Different colors as well. And then here's the actual one here. And all the options for it. And what's cool is you can adjust the zoom of the light right here. So if we turn on, you can adjust it right on here. So that's another very cool feature. And I'll show you just on this side, it tells you the battery levels on it. So you know when to recharge it. That's probably one of my favorite features on here is that you don't have to keep buying batteries. You could just charge the ones on here. All right, and then one of the other cool features that it comes on this back piece, since the batteries are rechargeable, one of the other cool parts that it has is this port right here. This is actually an out for your USB, so I can literally plug in this right here. We'll go ahead and just turn this on, and you can charge your iPhone, your iPad, whatever you want off of this. So I thought that was really convenient to have, especially if you're out like hiking or anything and you run out of juice on your phone. Just plug it into your headlamp and you can start charging up your phone from here. And then this is also waterproof. So like I said, if you're out camping or anything like that, this will survive in any water conditions. All right guys, so we're already outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and just kind of show how bright this actually gets. So we'll turn this on and then I'll turn off this light. Okay guys, so here I'm gonna show the 5 different light modes on the main flashlight on the top, and the secondary light has 3 different modes for the bottom one. What's also cool is the back piece of the lamp where the batteries are located. That can also serve as like another form of visibility since it is red and blue. So that can be cool like if you're cycling or hiking. Like I said, just another extra feature for it. What's cool is it'll last 6 to 12 hours on runtime, just depending on what setting you have. But like I said, 6 to 12 hours is still quite a bit considering how bright this light actually gets. The light actually gets pretty bright on here. So definitely great for any of those outdoor activities. So if you're looking for a good headlamp, definitely look into this one. Get it down below. 10 out of 10.